Hello friend, this is Prabhanshu Misra. Today we will discuss about the GI tags in fruit crops. So let's start from their history. So first time the GI Act was passed out in 1999 and it come into force in 2003. And when we talking about the first agriculture commodity which got the GI tag, that is the Darjeeling tea, which got the during 2004 or 5. When we talking about there the center where the GI registration authority located, that is the Chennai, where the GI office is located. Let's start from the crops wise, and that is the state wise. First state is the Andhra Pradesh, where the Baganpalli mango received the GI tag in 2011. Next state is the Arunachal Pradesh, where the Arunachal orange and Arunachal tea, that is called Phelop tea, which received the GI tag in 2022. Assam, King Kaji Nimu and Tejpur Lychee. These two fruit crops received the GI tag from the Assam. Next, the Bihar, where the Shahi Lychee, Bhagalpura Jardalu mango, and Mithila Makhana. These three fruit crops received the GI tag in Bihar. Goa, Mandoli banana, Mangpurad mango, and Feni. Feni is the fermented product of the cashew apple, which is the traditional drink of the Goa. And next one is the Goa cashew. These four commodity are product got the GI tag in the Goa. Next state is the Gujarat, where the Gir Kesar mango, which are the most famous mango from this particular area, well known for their color and fragrance. And Kachi Kharak, a variety of the date palm, which received the GI tag in 2021. And this question also came in last year, SRF Food Science question paper. Next one is the Amalsa Chiku, which got the GI tag in 2025, especially in the Navsari district of the Gujarat. Next state is the Kashmir, where the Ramban Anardana is the got the GI tag in 2025. Karnataka, Kurg orange and Nanjangud banana, Divan Hali pomelo, Apimidi mango, Kamalapur red banana, Bangalore blue grapes, Indi lime, Kari Isad mango, and Sirsi supari. These all crops got the GI tag in the Karnataka. Next state is the Kerala, where the Vijakulam pineapple and Nandren banana and Kutiyattur mango. These three crops got the GI tag in the Kerala. Next state is the Ladakh, where the Ladakhi Rekshi Corpo apricot and Ladakhi sea buckthorn got the GI tag in 2022. Next one is the Madhya Pradesh, where the Nagpur orange, Rewa Sundarja mango, Sioni jumbo custard apple, and Khurasini imli. These two crops received the very recently GI tag in 2026. Next state is the Maharashtra, where the maximum crop got the GI tag. List wise is the Nasik grapes, Nagpur orange, Sindhudar and Ratnagiri kokum, Sangli raisin, Beed custard apple, Jalna sweet orange, Purandar fig, Solapur pomegranate, Dahanu Bolwat Chiku, Jalgaon banana, Kesar mango, Alfonso, Mahabaleshwar strawberry, Bangalore cashew, Badlapur jamun, Bahadoli jamun, and Nandarbarg amchur. Amchur is the processed product of the mango, which used for the as a pickles, and Panjin tamarind. All these crops got the GI tag in Maharashtra state. Next state is the Manipur, where the Kachai lemon and Temenglong orange. These two crops got the GI tag in Manipur. Next one is the Meghalaya, where the Kasi mandarin and Memong Narang orange. These two citrus fruits got the GI tag in Meghalaya. Tamil Nadu is the Virupakshi hill banana and Sirumalai hill banana. These two hill banana, which are famous for their fragrance and which for the gems and jelly. Next one is the Kambam grape. This question also came in last year in SRF exam. And Kanyakumari Mati banana. These four crops got the GI tag in the Tamil Nadu. Next one is the Telangana, where the Baganpalli mango and Balanagar custard apple received the GI tag. Next one is the Tripura, where the Tripura Queen pineapple received the GI tag. Uttar Pradesh, Allahabad Surkha Guava, mango, especially the Sehri, of Malihabad Ramkheda region received the GI tag. Rathaul mango, Pratapgarh Amla, Banarsi Langda mango, and Chirgaon Karonda. These all crops received the GI tag in the Uttar Pradesh. Next one is the Uttarakhand, where the Uttarakhand Malta fruit and Ramnagar Nainital lychee, Ramgarh Nainital Adu. These crops received the GI tag in Uttarakhand. And next one is the West Bengal, where the Lakshman Bhog mango, uh, Himsagar, that is also known as Khirsapati mango, Malda Fajli mango, and Darjeeling mandarin. All these crops receive the GI tag in West Bengal. So all these crops are related to fruit crops which are till now receive the GI tag. In next lecture, we will discuss the GI tags in vegetable and spices crops. So that's all for today. Thank you.